In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a project plan in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know the most reliable ways to share your MPP file with teammates, whether they use Microsoft Project or not, and how to avoid common version control headaches. Let's start with the most common approach: sharing the file directly from Microsoft Project. First, open your project in the desktop app. Go to File, then Save As, and choose where you want to store the file. For collaboration, OneDrive is recommended, and SharePoint is also a strong choice because both keep a single central copy that everyone can access. You can save to your local PC as well, but keep in mind that local files aren't ideal for teamwork because they rely on you sending copies around. If you've saved to OneDrive or SharePoint, look for the Share button in the top right of Microsoft Project, or go to File and then Share. In the sharing window, enter the email addresses of the people who need access. Next, set their permission level. Choose View if you want them to review the plan without making changes, or Edit if they need to update tasks, dates, or resources. When you're ready, click Send. Your colleagues can now open the same project file, and with edit access, they can work directly in it. A quick tip: add a clear description in your message so people know the context and what you expect from them. Now, if your audience doesn't use Microsoft Project, exporting is the best route. Go to File, then Export, and pick the format that fits your purpose. Choose PDF when you want a fixed, easy-to-read snapshot of the plan. This is great for status reviews and stakeholders who just need visibility. Choose Excel when you want to share data for analysis, reporting, or when someone needs to sort and filter tasks outside of project. Save the exported file, then send it via email, share it in Teams, or upload it to your preferred cloud location. Before exporting, make sure the view in project shows the information you want to share so the output is clear and relevant. A few important notes to wrap up. Only users with a Microsoft Project license can fully open and edit .mpp files. People without a license should receive a PDF or Excel export to view the information. For ongoing collaboration, always store your plan in OneDrive or SharePoint to keep one source of truth, and avoid sending multiple versions of the same file, which can create confusion and extra work. That's it. Simple, clear, and set up for smooth collaboration.